This could be one of the most important rare earth projects outside China, and most investors still don't understand it. Today we're breaking down Meteoric Resources and its flagship Caldeira Rare Earth Project in Brazil. Let's get into it. Meteoric Resources is an ASX-listed company with a market value of around $500 million, focused on rare earth supply for Western markets. But what makes this story different is scale. The Caldeira project hosts around 1.5 billion tons of rare earth resource, making it the largest ionic clay rare earth deposit outside China. That's massive. And importantly, this is the same type of deposit that dominates Chinese supply. Now here's why that matters. Rare earths are critical for electric vehicles, wind turbines, and defense systems. And right now, China controls most of the global supply chain. In fact, recent export restrictions from China have increased pressure on Western countries to secure alternative supply. This is exactly where Caldeira fits in. Let's talk project quality. This isn't a complex hard rock mining operation. It's ionic clay, meaning no drilling, no blasting, no crushing, and no tailings dams. Instead, it uses a simple processing method with high recoveries and low cost. That dramatically reduces both capex and operational risk. And the numbers are strong. According to the pre-feasibility study, the project delivers a post-tax NPV of up to $1.2 billion, an IRR of up to 31%, and a payback period of around 2.5 years. That's a very attractive return profile, especially for a project of this scale. Production is also meaningful. The project is expected to produce around 13,500 tons of rare earth oxides per year over the life of mine. That's roughly 5 to 6% of global supply. And importantly, it includes both light rare earths like neodymium and praseodymium, and heavy rare earths like dysprosium and terbium. These are critical for high-performance magnets. Now let's talk infrastructure. The project is located in Minas Gerais, Brazil, one of the country's top mining regions. It already has access to renewable power, water supply, road connections, and port access just 250 kilometers away. So this is not a remote, high-risk location. Even more important, the project is moving forward. Meteoric has received preliminary environmental approval, commissioned a pilot plant, and already producing mixed rare earth carbonate samples. That means they're progressing beyond exploration into real development. And here's the strategic angle. Meteoric is already building links into global supply chains. They have agreements and partnerships targeting North America and Europe, positioning Caldeira as a key supplier to Western markets. So when you step back, the investment case is simple. You've got a massive resource, low-cost processing, strong project economics, and increasing global demand, all at a time when the world is actively trying to reduce reliance on China. Of course, there are risks: funding the project, execution during construction, and commodity price volatility. But the fundamentals here are hard to ignore. Bottom line, Meteoric's Caldeira project isn't just another mining story. It's a strategic rare earth asset with the potential to become a major global supplier. And in today's market, that could be incredibly valuable. If you want more breakdowns like this, covering ASX mining and growth stocks, hit subscribe. Because the next big opportunity is often hidden in plain sight.